everyone, I am Priya. This digital board is produced by SmartPix. Today, as we gather to explore the fascinating world of SmartPix digital board. What's special about this digital smart board is it comes with 65 inches flat screen with 4K UHD and 48 megapixel inbuilt HD camera and 8 array mic. This interactive flat panel monitor is 3840/2160 pixel, which is 4K and latest version. First, now let's talk about body features here. Here you can see the body is a metallic alloy frame with active heat dissipation with 4 mm toughened glasses. And you will get the multiple ports are here in the front side of the panel and the back side of the panel as well. The ports are USB, USB 3.0, touch cable, HDMI, Type-C with a power button. Apart from this, you will get the 2 speaker here, the 2021 2 speaker for surrounding sound system, and it comes with stylus. This stylus pane you can use front side as well and the back side as well. And this stylus pane you can use for the writing purposes. Second here, let's talk about the internal functions. Here you can see the menu dock, and this menu dock is available left hand side and the right hand side as well. And another one is in the panel as well. Let's talk about the shortcut tools. In the shortcut tools, you will get more tools like Ethernet, hotspot, Wi-Fi, vision gear, power off, restart, curtains and spotlights. Here you can see the sidebar as well for the sound and for the display. Here you can increase or decrease the sound and you can increase or decrease the display, that is brightness. These are the applications. Some applications are inbuilt application and some applications are you can download from Play Store. Let's talk about the settings here. In the settings, there are network status. You can connect Wi-Fi, Ethernet, hotspot. In general, custom options are there. That means you can customize the wallpaper. Sound options are there. Sound is adjustable. Display, you can adjust the display as well, like image mode, standard, bright, green and custom. Gesture interaction and screen record. In the screen recording system, you are able to record whole screen. The screen record resolution is HD and Full HD. And in sound source, media sound, microphone sound and media plus microphone sounds. In a screen recording, time limit is as per your like 0 up to 120. You can adjust according to your. Another one is a device. You can connect Bluetooth, printer, microphone and camera. In system, you will get date and time, language and input, power status, system update, system security and above. Here you can see the device name, that is a IFP60EF. Running memory is 8 GB, storage space is a 128 GB. The resolution is a 4K, Android 14 version, that is the latest version we have. CPU core is 8 and GPU core is 4. So let's talk about the more applications. In the more applications, you will get the Play Store. In the Play Store, you can download any 3D applications, any applications that you want. Another one is a camera. It has a motion tracking system. It tracks your voice and the motion as well. Like that. Apart from that, you can see here the multiple applications. WPS for PDF, you can open PDF, PPT, extension, whatever you want. Calculator, gallery, file manager, whiteboard, screen recorder, Chrome, Play Store. This interactive panel has ability to run multi-screen like that. If I'm opening the WPS software for the PPT reference, I want the whiteboard software, the anti-Chrome.